Hi everyone. In this video lecture explains how to interface 8051 microcontroller with LCD. LCD is liquid crystal display. The ability of the liquid crystal display is to display the number, character and graphics. So it is easy to program. This is a 16x2 LCD. It has 16 pins. The first pin is VSS. This will be connected to the ground terminal, and the second pin is VCC. This will be connected to the plus 5 volt supply, and the third pin is used for the controlling the contrast, and this will be connected to the variable resistance, and the fourth pin is register select. For the register select, to select register select this bit equal to 0, then it will select the command register. That means it will send the command to the LCD. Suppose if you select register select RS equal to 1, it will select the data register, and what the data we want to display, that data will be transmitted to the LCD. So the fifth bit will be read write. So this bit will be for to write LCD. This bit particularly will be make it as 0. Always we are going to write the data, whether the command or data we are going to send to the LCD. So always this register write will be used for the 0. And the sixth pin is enable pin. This enable pin will be used for high to low with certain delay. And pin number 7 to pin number 14, DB0 to DB7. These pins are used for the data. Data will be connected. That means data bus. This will be connected from the microcontroller to the LCD. And these are the commands will be used for the LCD. So one, except these ports are in hexadecimal. So 1 means it is clear display screen, and 2 means return home, and 4 decrement the cursor, 6 decrement the cursor, and 6 is increment the cursor. The fifth one is shift display register, 7th shift display left, the 8th one is display of cursor off, A display of cursor on, C display on cursor off, E display on cursor blinking, F display on cursor blinking. 10 in the hexadecimal is shift cursor position to the left, 14 shift cursor position to the right, 18 shift the entire display to the left, 1C shift the entire display to the right, 80 force the cursor to begin to the first line. Suppose if you want to start from the beginning of the letter is in second line means 81. Okay. So similarly, if we want to start from third line means 83. So like that it goes. CO force cursor to begin to second line, 38 2 lines in and 5x7 matrix. But here it is not required to use all the commands to the LCD. Okay, so important commands only will be used, that we'll discuss in the program. To send any of the command to the LCD, these are the important steps we have to follow. Make the pin RS equal to 0. That's what we discussed here. If you want to send the command to the LCD, then this RS register should be make it as 0. Okay. So make the pin RS equal to 0 for the command, and make RS equal to 1 for the data, what the data you want to transmit. And make the pin number, that means register write pin should be 0. Then send high to low pulse to the enable pin to enable the internal latch of the LCD. To send any of the command to the LCD, we have to follow these 3 pins should be register select is 0, read write is 0, and enable pin should be high to low pulse. Okay. We'll see one program. Write an 8051 program to send letter. Here I've used my name to display in the LCD. Okay. Hash include register 51.h. This is the register header file for the 8051 microcontroller. And here 3 pins I am going to use. What are the 3 pins? Register select and register read and enable pin. Okay, so this register select is connected to the port 1 0th pin, and register write will be connected to the port 1 and first pin. Enable pin will be connected to the port 1 second pin. Next, so these are the functions I'm going to use: void delay, void LCD command, and LCD data. So this LCD command we already discussed what are the commands are there, but we are not going to use all the commands. Only the selected commands will be, and the important commands only we are going to use. And void LCD data, what the data I want to transmit here, my name Ramakrishnan. So I'm going to transmit the data is Ramakrishnan to the LCD. Void main P2 equal to 0 into 0, 0. This means this 0, 0 is nothing but the data pins from D0 to D7. I'm going to connect into the P2 port to the LCD. So from the LCD D0 to D7 will be connected to the P20 to P27. Okay. So this will act as a output port, so that just I'm making it here 0, 0 for the port. This while one is used for the repeated operation, and here the some of the commands only I'm going to use. LCD CMD. CMD is nothing but it is a command. Just I'm calling here for the function LCD command 0 cross 38. So this 0 cross 38 will be 5 into 7 matrix. After that, it will call for the delay function. So delay function just it will waste some time, okay, to move to the next instruction. The next one is LCD CMD command, LCD command 0 1. This 0 1 is cursor on delay, and the 14th line 0 into 14, and one more command is LCD command 0 into 0C. Okay, so this will start from right side onwards, like that. LCD command 0 into 80. This 0 into 80, this command is used for start from the first line. Okay, after that some delay. So these are the LCD command is required. Okay, important commands I have taken. The next one is what the data I'm going to transmit my name. So here one character only it is possible to transmit, or sorry, it is possible to write it into the LCD. So LCD data are after that some delay. So each character is required for some delay. So I have written my name. Okay, so up to this I have written my name with some delay. Okay, so you cannot able to write entire characters in one line. Okay, so one characters only you can able to uh, write it into the LCD with some delay. Okay. The next one is void LCD command. So this is another function is called so command function. In the command functions we already discussed. Okay, so here whatever the value I'm going to write into the LCD, that will be put it into the port P2, because already we know that port P2 is connected 8 data lines to the LCD D0 to D7 line. Okay, and for the void LCD command, for command we know that register select should be make it as 0, and register write should be also 0, and the enable pin should be high to low with some delay. That's what this one. Okay, so we discussed in the beginning of the lecture. Okay, so LCD command registers how to configure. So this P2 is nothing but what the value just I'm going to load it into the P2. Okay. So this register select and register read should be 0, and enable pin should be high to low with some delay. The next one is void LCD data. So unsigned character value. Here now I'm going to print my name. So value will be placed in the port 2 register. Okay, port 2. Now for the data, LCD data, this register select should be select as 1, and register write should be 0, and similarly enable should be high to low with some delay. So this is for the LCD data function. The last one is the delay function. So the delay function is just I'm using some delay by using the for loop. So unsigned integer I equal to 0, I less than 12,000. Okay, then I plus plus. So this delay function will be wherever the delay is called, then the delay subroutine will come to here and it will execute, and again it will return to the original program. Okay, so this is the way of writing the program for the LCD interface with 8051 microcontroller. Now I will show this simulation with PSpice, sorry, with Proteus software. Just I'm going to show this simulation with Proteus software. So in the Proteus software, it is not required any internet connection. Okay, once you installed, you can able to use it. Okay. Now, once you open, you will get the windows like this. Next one is new project. In the new project, just I will give that file name is LCD. Next, as it's already is there means it will be replaced. Okay, once you given, then you will get the windows like this. Now, which microcontroller I'm going to use? I'm going to use for the Atmel 8NC51 microcontroller. Okay, so this component mode you have to select. So this is component mode. So select this P. Just type it here which microcontroller you want to use it. Atmel 89C51. So this microcontroller, just I select it here. Okay, then I need LCD. Just you can type it here for LCD 16x2. Okay, so display 16x2. Select this. So these two components are sufficient to uh, execute this simulation. Okay, you'll see that. Okay, I will just select this microcontroller. So this is LCD pin, and select this microcontroller and place it here. Okay, now how to connect it? See the program according to that only we have to connect. See this P1 port 1 and pin number 0 is connected to the register select. So port 1, so this is the port 10 pin, and in the LCD this is the register select. Okay, so this pin will be connected to register select. Similarly for the port 1, pin number 1 will be selected, and that will be connected to register right. Then port 1 second pin is connected to enable. Okay, so these three pins are connected. The next one is from D0 to D7 pin numbers. I should connect to the port 2. Okay, and similarly this. Okay, I will connect like this. Okay, if you want to delete here, just double right click it here and delete this wire. Okay, so this seventh pin, just I will connect to this seventh pin. Okay, and sixth pin will be connected to sixth pin of the LCD. Okay, next fifth pin will be connected to here fifth pin of the LCD, and similarly here the fourth pin is connected to fourth pin of the LCD, and third pin is connected to the third pin of the LCD, and second pin is connected to second pin to the LCD, and first pin is connected to LCD, and the last pin, that is zeroth pin, will be connected here something. Okay, now I have connected the connections. Okay, the next one is we have to load the X file into this 89C51 microcontroller. Okay, so I will first execute this code into KNC software. So already we know that how to uh, execute this code into KNC software. Okay, so LCD, whatever the program I've taken here, the same program will be here. Okay, so already I typed the program. Okay, the same program. Okay, just I saved here. The next one is uh, right click this target here, select this output. In the output, please select this create X file, because we need to dump this X code only into the 89C51 microcontroller. Okay, and give OK. The next one is build the target, zero error, and check it here, creating the X file from the LCD. So once again you rebuild it. Okay, now go to the simulation. Here, just double click on this 89C51 microcontroller. What the crystal frequency generally we will use for the 8051 microcontroller is 11.0592 megahertz. Okay. Next one is select this program file. Okay. In the program file, where the X file will be there, you know that in your laptop. So select according to that one. I've stored X file in the C drive. Okay. So I've stored with 89C51. This is LCD. Okay, LCDX, and open this one. Okay. Next view. Okay, that's it. I've dumped the code into the 89C51 microcontroller. For the next step, just run the simulation. Then you can see the output in the LCD. So it is displaying with my name. Okay. You can also interface this LCD to the 89C51 microcontroller, and you can verify that. Okay. Let's stop the simulation. I hope you understood how to interface 8051 microcontroller to the LCD. Okay. Thanks for watching.